Hello everyone, today I proudly introduce my favorite restoration of Tarotrevive Flemand by F.I. Vandenberg in 1780. You can see this is a beautiful box. Now she's a card. This is the number card, 500 limited. Introducing. It's very nice deck and it's one of my favorite. I can tell you why. You can see the back, empress, the emperor. You can see the Bacchus. It's it's very different from the Papa. Yes, it's very interesting. Can this is the lover. The chariot is not face to, not face to the reader and face to the left. It's very special. You can see the wheel of fortune. You can see very interesting. The lion. You can. Well, the handed man. You can. It's not. It's not the head, not down the earth, and you can see it's up to the sky. Very interesting, and you can see the flower. So it's my favorite deck. It's the devil. The devil and is another my favorite. It very like it. Different. You can see it's the flash. The flashing, the flashing, not the tower. The star is very different. You can see the song, and you can like the Rider-Waite deck, Rider-Waite tarot deck, right? The Monday, oh, it's have very powerful. You can see the number, the full mat is the number 22. The pip card is, you can see the plant, the flower. So I like it, very like it. Never see a deck will like this. I can see. See the flower. Very nice. The number is in the center. See. Very interesting. The horse. Oh, very cute. Cute and nice. You can the plant. Very nice. The coin is very big, very big. very powerful. Can see very clear. It's very clear. And the back. You can see the back. from the original. Card game paper, so don't worry. Don't be afraid of color. Use the water. Thank you to watch my video. You can order from my website. Thank you.